Hello, this is Dark and this is my first video. Today I'm gonna do a Brisingamen Enchantment video. So do you know Queen Freyja, the goddess of beauty and war? Well, basically she had this necklace which was enchanted and made her look beautiful. So I'm gonna show you how to do your state using this witchy technique. Okay, first of all, you're gonna need a necklace, of course. You have to use any kind of necklace you want. It has to be beautiful or it has to be meaningful to you. I got this from my mother when she was in Spain, so this is quite meaningful to me. Next, you are going to need some rose petals. It's winter and this was the only rose I could find. Sorry. Then you're gonna need some glitter. Any color would work, but I guess, yeah, just mind the colors a little bit, they have different meanings. And next you're gonna need a candle. It should be white or golden. It doesn't matter if it's scented or not. So let's get started. I'm gonna first light the candle while thinking about me being as beautiful and as bright as the candle. I know this sounds quite cheesy, but just go with the flow. Let's get started with the mixture. So now I'm gonna use this quartz just to give the mixture a little more power. Just put it in there. If you don't have one, it's okay, it's optional. I'm gonna use this blue glitter. The color reminds me of the sky and I thought I had to use it, so I put it in. I told you already that the color doesn't really matter, sorry for not being able to see, but I'm gonna put as much as I want. Go where I'll put it. Next, I'm gonna use this glitter. It's gold glitter, or call it whatever you want. I'm gonna use this because it looks cute. And then just take the necklace, put it in there. Make sure to cover it up with petals. Seal the mixture with a kiss and say, as Freyja has a Brisingamen, may I have mine. And you're ready now. This is it. Now leave the candle burn for as much as you like, and you're ready. So I guess this is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, I'm gonna link it down below, leave a comment, and yeah, bye!